talking pups.
What's up, guys? My name's A.
I'm Bree.
And today we're gonna be doing, how do you even pronounce it?
Mukbang.
Mukbang, whatever. We're just gonna just sit here and talk about stuff that literally doesn't matter at all, but we're just gonna serve our face. And we have Kool-Aid first.
Cheers. Don't do a part where I'm like taking a bite of it, like I don't want to show my face eating.
Yeah.
That's gross.
So we haven't been uploading because Brianna never wants to record.
No.
We recorded a couple videos. Don't.
I'm telling you.
We recorded a couple videos.
You never let me talk.
Go ahead. Be my guest.
We shooted like 2 or 3 videos, and he didn't want to edit them. So
I edited them, but
no, you didn't. No, you didn't.
I edited them, but I didn't have music to put in the background. Dang, she acts like she edits everything.
I was going to. I said, okay, send me the video so I can edit it. You know, no.
She's been using that excuse for 3 weeks now. It's over with. Want to fight or something?
No.
Exactly.
So what?
Sucking my teeth. Look at my waves, they're barely coming in.
We were gonna do the hot buffalo challenge, but they said that they were too hot, so we didn't want to waste money. Some more. I look bad.
I'm not even gonna have that much views because we haven't posted forever. You guys should go subscribe to Brianna's channel. She needs to make a video.
I don't post.
She needs to make a video You got all the big ones. I know that's why I shouldn't have let you show them out. Give me that one. I'll give you that one for that one.
No, this is empty. My lips are burning.
They don't even hot at all.
But they're good.
Kool-Aid and wing don't even sound good together.
Are we gonna talk about something?
I don't get why people like to watch people eat and then talk.
So guys, lately, James Charles made a new palette. Well, his first palette, and I wanted it so bad. And I entered all the giveaways for it too, and I didn't get it. And I was so mad. Well, not mad, but sad.
You lick my fingers?
You keep shaking it.
We're in November, but still.
Ew, you got it all over my cheek. What if I wipe down?
You're a slow eater. You make me feel like it's gonna suck when it's all gone.
I know.
I don't get that much because
I enjoy
broke.
it.
No, you eat slow because you have all the big ones. You literally gave me all the quarter-sized ones, bro. Literally, she just looked, nothing.
Nice and crunchy.
It's in that ghetto towel.
You want some?
No. Yeah, my pants. We need to record 2 more videos tonight.
The only thing that it burns is my lips. Because they're really chapped.
Literally doesn't even burn anything. I call licking all that sauce.
Too bad. My sauce.
You literally got all the sauce. You're so stingy.
Probably.
You're stingy, bro.
Am I stingy?
Took all that sauce.
It was at the bottom. My nose is watering.
You get boneless? Oh, duh.
This is a boring video?
It is. So, let's talk about. We should just start beef with Jake Paul and just become famous.
Imagine.
Jake Paul
Is a thief.
I'm calling him out right now. Starting beef. I'm gonna get famous now. Everybody make sure Jake Paul sees this video because I want to punch him.
I want to punch him too.
And 6'9".
You look cute, wouldn't you?
No hand challenge.
You're holding it with your mouth.
I'm trying to go. That one was tight.
You said they're not
no,
hot.
I have a cut right here in my gums. Every time I brush my teeth too, there's like a cut right there and it burns so bad. It just like sucked. And I'll chili on it. This is not gonna be a. This is gonna be a boring video.
I know. We
Well,
should got to eat.
Well, we have to eat. I was hungry, and I just wanted to record. And there's like a such thing as called a mukbang, whatever you called it.
Mukbang.
I feel like my lips are all red.
Mine look red too.
Red, orange, blue, purple, green. I don't know.
It's yellow.
I don't trust you.
I promise they're yellow.
Where were you guys for Halloween?
I was an angel.
I was myself.
No, you weren't. You want to be cholo.
I want to be Cholo. Shut up.
Hey.
I want to be Angel.
I am an angel.
And when I wore that outfit like at school. So.
No, you didn't.
I wore it like 4 times at school.
5.
I thought I
Just
didn't
kidding.
though. Look at her new boots. She's so gay.
You're the one that's showing them off.
I know you're all. Oh, why'd you do that? Said showing them off.
Stop.
You're gonna spill it with your.
So what else? Let's talk about Damo and Chrissy.
Was I? I thought the one were like.
She was using him for money. I mean, Chrissy was using that. This is what I heard. I don't know if it's true, but people are saying that Chrissy was using Damo for her money and.
Don't they make the same amount of money?
No.
No, I don't watch them.
But she moved on way too fast.
To a female or a male?
Female.
I look like a nerd. Let me do your taxes.
They came out.
What do you mean?
They were wavier earlier.
Yeah, and I brushed them. It's because they were wavy like that. It's supposed to be wavy like that.
Ew.
What?
It should be wavy like that.
No.
Not like that.
That's what waves are. So what, you just get to decide what waves are now?
Yeah.
That's so hot. We need to do another thumbnail before they're all gone. Or... Yo...
Talk.
Oh, dang.
Ew, that was gross. Don't put that
I
in
know. It tasted gross too. All that
Thank you.
ranch. It sounds like you're biting into some celery. Ooh, that made your teeth all like green. Not green, that color. Whatever that
there.
is.
Orange.
I'm colorblind.
Hey,
I
you
don't-
like celery?
Yeah, with peanut butter? Mmm.
You know what's good? Some fries with ice cream.
Fries my feet is going numb. I'm trying not to hit it.
Scoot up more. You're like falling off the bed. That's all of that.
Hmm?
Huh?
Exactly.
What?
What?
You have more reps than me.
Okay.
My
I think they're still getting us more food after this, though.
Hmm? No, you're not.
Right there.
No, you're not.